line here in Cleveland. Over the top, he's floating the formation to put them directly over show center point. Now, watch closely as Commander Bernanke calls, smoke on, ready break. On center point, cross with a combined closure rate of nearly 1,000 miles per hour. Spanning 105 years of naval aviation. The 2016 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps pilots, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the left, your 2016 Blue Angels. One of the unique demands placed upon naval aviators is that they be able to land their aircraft on a ship at sea. Whether it be a tactical jet, propeller-driven aircraft, or a helicopter, each requires skill which the naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this skill, the aircraft is in fact ready to land. Rolling out a final, they make constant power and lineup corrections to maintain the proper rate of descent for the proper touchdown point.